Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope you are quite happy and healthy and enjoying your time. My last video was on the life of Alexander Pope. My today video is on his most epic poem, Rape of the Lock. Students, I have selected some main points to discuss with you. These main points are very important for university questions. Let us have a view the points I have selected for you to discuss. My first point is mirror to 18th century. Alexander Pope was born in 18th century in England. He was true representative of his age, like Chaucer and Tennyson, who are also true representatives of their own age. 18th century, it was a time when England was becoming prosperous. England had won the wars against France and Scotland. The economy of England was very strong in those days. People of England were very happy, prosperous, and they were satisfied. They were leading a very happy life, and they had lot of free time to discuss over petty matters, politics, and other trivial things. This poem gives us complete glimpse of 18th century society, especially elite class. We can say this poem is mirror to 18th century. Alexander Pope has described businessmen, politicians, and their activities, how they get together in clubs, in coffee shops, and they gossip over political issues. They play cards, and the women of the society, they also play cards. They spend much time on their beauty products. They have pets in their houses. My second point is fire on contemporary society. All the activities of the people of 18th century are described by the poet satirical. Pope has not only styled on individual personalities but on institutions, especially politics, parliament, and judiciary. He has described the activities of court. He styled on the judges and jurymen. They hasten to their meals before completing their official work. And how the other businessmen and politicians and literary men, they gossip over coffee and they show that they are very sensible and learned men. The style on women is also very bitter. They consider their beauty products and their love letters more precious than the Bible. And they don't care their husbands. They spend much time with their pets rather than with their husbands. And they don't care the death of their husbands. The death of their husband is only like a breaking of a china jar. So all these incidents are described by the poet satirical. So we can say Rape of the Lock is a style on contemporary society, mean the society of the writer's period. Mock epic, my third point is epic is a poem that is a very lofty and had grand style, like Greek epics written by Homer, Iliad, Odyssey, and Aeneid by Virgil, and Paradise Lost by Milton. These epics were very lofty in their themes, and their characters are also dignified and lofty and elevated characters. But Rape of the Lock is not a epic in that sense. All the ingredients and the feature of epic poem are used in this poem mockingly by Alexander Pope. We have invocative words in opening lines in this epic. In Greek epics, there are some voyages, and in this epic, we have a voyage by Amberial in the cave of Spleen. Pope has used sylph, nymphs, gnomes, and salamanders. This supernatural machinery is also used by the writer. All the tiny things are converted into big things, and all the big things are converted into tiny things by the writer. So he has used all the ingredients and feature of epics very mockingly. So this is not a epic poem in the sense of Greek epic poems, but it is a mock epic. He has used all the ingredients very mockingly, so that is called, this is a mock epic poem. The moral of the poem, it is a very controversial. Many critics say there is no moral, but when we see the style of the writer, he is suggesting something else indirectly. So his style has moral in this poem. He wants to suggest us the responsibilities and duties of women of the society, judges, politicians, and the men of the society. They are spending their time on petty matters, but they are not paying heed to their responsibilities and duties. So his message is hidden in his style, and especially the last speech of Clarissa, friend of Belinda. She consoles her friend Belinda over the cutting of her lock. She consoles her, it is a very petty matter, so don't worry about the lock. As Mechaic consoled Adam in Paradise Lost after seduction of Saturn. So we can say there is a moral in this poem, and the critic who say that there is no moral at all, it is not a true statement. Viewers, I hope this video will be very useful for you. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it so that you have my other videos on time. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.